Hello everyone. In this session we'll see another question on linear algebra, that is GATE 2018 EE. So it says A, which is a square 3 cross 3 matrix, and B, which is given by this relation where I is 3 cross 3, of course, because for the linear operation we have to make sure that identity matrix is of the same dimension as so that the operations are visible. Now the determinant of B is what we are looking for. Now if you see this A, we can form the characteristic equation directly, which we have already seen how to do this. This is given as A minus lambda I, right? So since we have already done this, we can do this as 1 minus lambda, 0 remains same, minus 1 remains same, minus 1, 2 minus lambda, 0, 0, 0, minus 2 minus lambda. This is the characteristic equation of this equation or this matrix equal to 0. So we can calculate this, of course. Let's take this column 1, because this column 1 is having one element as 0. For this element A11, it is going to be 1 minus lambda into the minor will be this one, and in this case we can see these two are 0, so it will be directly 2 minus lambda and minus 2 minus lambda. Then next element is A21. For A21, the minor will be coming from these two elements and these two elements, of which we have this and this 0. That means the minor for A21 is going to be 0, and A31, the element itself is 0, so we don't have to calculate the minor, so we can directly say this is going to be this much. So we can expand this, and this is going to be lambda cube minus lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 4 equal to 0. Now as per the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, it says any matrix which has to be square satisfies its own characteristic equation. That means for this equation we can write it as A cube minus A square minus 4A plus 4I equal to 0. And what we are looking for is, what given is B as, it is given B equal to A cube minus A square minus 4A plus 5I. This is B. Now if you see, this B is nothing but, compared to this, it is going to be like this expression plus I, right? Just see this, A cube is also there, minus A square is there, minus 4A is there, and then 5I. So 5I is like 4I plus I. So up to 4I, this is going to be 0, and we have to add just one more I, which means B is nothing but I. And if we have to find the determinant of B, it is going to determinant of I. Of course I is 3 cross 3, and even if it is of any other dimension also, the determinant is going to be 1. So this is the answer.